That's way to the girl I love has gone away from me.